How to post in a group on Facebook anonymously. So first is to open the Facebook application. Tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon found on the upper right corner. Then tap the Groups option. Go to your groups and then select the group page that you want to post in anonymously. Tap on Write Something and then create your post. Once you have created your post, tap the toggle button beside Post Anonymously and then tap Got It. And then tap the Post button found on the upper right corner. Or you can just simply tap the Anonymous Post button under Write Something. So it is important to remember that not all group page has this function, as it all depends on the admin of the group whether or not he or she enables this function. Such as this group, which doesn't have the anonymous post option. And so that is how you post in a group on Facebook anonymously. Thank you and have a great day.